Morning. Oh. Hello, Nicholas.
Hola.
Your bum's hanging out your throat. It's all about the look with these youngsters. Ooh, batteries run out. Fat Food Friday. Fat Food Friday. Fat Food Friday. Fat Food Friday. Just chips today. Because I've got so much pick and mix and stuff like that from Iceland. That's all I can manage. Right. Of course, right. I want to do an experiment because I was watching Casey's vlog last night. And he was testing, it might have been an older one, I've been catching up. He was testing out his microphone and whatnot. So I've got an external mic. This is going to die. This is not going to work. I've got an external mic. This is what the sound sounds like on the GoPro. This is what the sound sounds like on the external mic. This is what it sounds like on the camera. So from back here on the camera, this is what it sounds like. From up here, this is what it sounds like, but with the external mic. From back here, it sounds like this. So when I get home tonight and start cutting this, I might check out and see what the differences are. Just because I want to know if it is making a difference. Lucy's got a 70D, and you can adjust all the settings for the external mic. This is a 700D that I shoot on. It doesn't have those settings, you just plug it in and it's either making a difference or it's not, but we're going to find out tonight. What are you filming?
What's it look like?
Well, me at the moment.
Yeti.
Yay. I thought you was filming Steve.
I'm filming Steve cleaning. Steve, you not got cleaners here?
What?
Is there no cleaners here?
Yeah, there are, but they don't clean it very well. Pretty fussy, ain't I? It's all polished and clean now, ready for the weekend. To collect dust.
Way. Right. Sorry about me humming away to. I don't even know what the song is. I've just been watching Vines. Makes me sing loads of songs that I don't even know the words to. I've checked out the sound. There is a difference. That thing actually makes a difference, which is good. It makes me happy that I haven't actually wasted my money on just a big phone sitting on top of my camera. You're tutting it. That's what you call it.
I do not.
Whatever.
That's what you call it.
No, it isn't. That's what everyone else calls it. But no, I'm glad that it actually it makes a difference. So that's cool. It is better. It's clearer. There's less distortion. There's less sound from outside. What's actually I want to be heard. It's better. The end.